All right, it's a new day. We're still working on the ramp, obviously. We got a lot of work ahead of us, but it seems like you guys are really enjoying these ramp build videos. So we're gonna keep them coming because we're gonna continue to build. So that being said, yesterday we got our first like kind of test day where me, Trey, and Jabe all rode. Aura, you know, did the loop a couple times, but we didn't film that. He doesn't let me film him, but world's greatest landscaper, also the world's greatest loop hitter. We got Melvin, we got Dax, and a new little friend, Ellie. She's 7 years old. She's a German Shepherd. So I'm basically being a foster parent for a little time. We're trying to find her a forever home right now that she's gonna be really, really happy with. We have a couple people. I have somebody coming this weekend that looks like they're gonna be really awesome for her. They have 2 kids, they have another dog, and they're looking for a companion. And they were gonna rescue, and you know, this opportunity presented itself for them with Ellie. So we're gonna see if they're gonna be a good fit. And I'm not gonna lie, I'd be kind of sad because I've only spent 2 days with her, and she's a great dog. But I already have 1 dog that adds up to like 3 dogs, and that's Dax, as you can see. But she's great because she's getting annoyed by these 2 idiots the whole entire day, and she seems completely fine. Doesn't even care about them, so she'll be all right. Ellie, come here. Ellie, come here. Come say hi. Good girl. Never in my life did I think I would foster a dog. She's pretty cool with the ramps and the power tools. She's already into it. Melvin still got his nuts, so he sees a girl and he's like, oh, 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 oh. Oh man. All right, we got the first 2 sheets and the second layer on this thing. I've come to realize my least favorite thing about building ramps is missing the studs. When you mark your lines like this, so basically what you do is you find your stud back here, and you run a chalk line all the way across. And that tells you where to drill so you can find the studs. For some reason, sometimes the shit don't just line up. I don't know why, but you'll see right here, this obviously didn't line up, but you gotta take these out because if you put the skate light over top of that, it'll eventually crack the skate light. So now I gotta go back in and take out all the ones that didn't hit the studs, because I eventually got one hit the stud, but I can't get these out, they just spin, so I gotta use a hammer to get them out. Hold up, man. You can't set something that beautiful on the ground like that. What are you doing?
My bad, my bad.
Have some respect, man. Hey, Trey, you want one?
That shit sucks.
You suck. You drink Zevias now. Trip 595 to Team Orange. It's no longer fun. I'm official, y'all. Got my first tool belt my entire life. Yep.
There we go.
I'm trying to cut this freaking coping off. We're pretty much done with the second layer. We're getting ready to set some coping possibly in today. Aura's over there right now, aka the foreman, cutting some stuff in. We got me, Jabe, Trey. Dave is on the way, and some exciting news is I just had somebody come and see Ellie, and they really liked her, and their dog got along with her really, really well, and it's going to be a way better fit because the temperament of their dog and the temperament of Ellie are like identical, whereas Dax is like a puppy. He's super annoying and loves to like nip at her ankles and play with her, and she's not opposed to it, but she's definitely not into it 24/7 like Dax is, so I think it'll be a much better fit. They're going to come by tomorrow, pick her up, try it out for a week, and see how it goes. I'm not going to lie to you, I'm a little sad because I really do like Ellie. I just know that's not in my best interest right now and not in her best interest for me to take care of her. So we'll see how it goes with her possible forever home. I spent this whole time cutting all these down and I realized something. They're brittle as shit. They're well to those, hey, come on now. Some thick ass coping, dude. It's like really thick. So Dax is on this new thing where he just walks up the stairs and jumps the flat, then walks up the stairs and jumps flat.
Eats leaves and then jumps down.
Next one.
Let's go.
Well, now he's like, wait, hold on. He usually just, oh, wow. Look at that. Good job.
Melvin, one.
Nice of you to show up, Dave.
Melvin, one. Melvin.
Dave just walked to the house this morning, no shoes anywhere. technique you got there is impeccable. Oh my God. Let's see it, Jabe.
A little bit of clearance there on that.
Melvin is not a fan. He's like, no, no, no. No.
That counts.
Damn, look at you go, Foreman. Mini Foreman. Oh, you can get hauling ass, huh? I don't know if I like this. This thing's definitely pretty strange. I don't know if it's a good idea for me to go to the road. I just ate shit in the backyard on it, so.
You're good.
You know what you're doing over there, Foreman? You good?
They're also trying to film while doing it, so it's probably harder.
This is second nature to me, though. Chris Gregson, I'm coming for your job as a freaking skate filmer, baby. We're one-wheeling around people.
I want to go to the house before I'm too old. You ain't building shit, old man. You're too old already.
He ain't built something on the damn corner pipe.
Yeah, man, it took you all day to work on one piece of wood. What the hell?
Daddy was in there.
Oh. Hey, we're stocked up, man.
Where it looked this morning. Did you surf this morning?
You did it.
You did it.
Freaking, it looks.
Oh, it looks glassy, dude.
Looks micro.
Micro.
You looking at it live?
Lame.
No, that was the way it was this morning.
Lame.
I got barreled.
I got a real
Doesn't matter. You were sleeping.
He's full of shit.
Dave's is out there in the.
No, I was
Dave was out there
not.
getting barreled, and you were sleeping. Dave was out. Dave was over there hitting his ape hand. In the barrel.
Looks okay right now.
No, he wasn't.
We kicked some ass today, that's for sure. Second layer is done on everything we wanted to. All we gotta do now is the bowl corners. And we're done.
You go to the left?
Damn, dude.
It's actually better our way because it goes straight, run into it.
Feels so much better.
Oh my gosh! Holy shit! Hell yeah.
Feels so much better with the 2 sheets versus the 1 sheet, that is for sure.
Yeah. It feels so much. That feels way more
Yeah.
solid with the 2 sheets.
Dude, once that bowl corner, it's gonna change. It's almost gonna be like a whole addition to the ramp. You're gonna be able to hit all these lines, all the lines, man.
This freaking locals only.
Yeah, Jabe.
My position on slow.
Oh, trying to slide the back end. Okay. Okay. Get out!
Whoa! Hey, with the Wally. Yes. No! No! Dude, hey, actually, do that.
Running around like a. Watch, she'll cruise around and she'll jump and raising a tower in a room full of dogs. You ever look that up? Watch her jump over the freaking,
Bing bong, bing bong. Sun's getting real low, big guy.
I know, I got it right here.
Hey, hurry up and do this line over here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's a tight spot.
And try to pump when you get to the bottom of the tranny.
Oh my god!
What is wrong with you, man?
You're trying to cheat the pocket.
Large fellow.
Whoa! Style points. Bar spin, bar spin, bar spin.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Been having a lot of fun with the guys out at Trey's house building this ramp. We got a lot of cool stuff in the works right now with the ramp. We are starting to put the skate light on the ramp, which you guys will see in the next couple of weeks with these videos. We're going to basically just finish this ramp out, try to get it 100% done, and just going to film the whole process. Started riding it a little bit more. We may have even started skating it a little bit more. I know you guys have been saying that you guys want to see some skate clips on the ramp, so we may or may not have delivered some fun skate footage on this thing. And I definitely am not the best skateboarder ever, and we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. Tell your friends, subscribe, like this video, yada yada. I don't know what else you could do. There's a bell thing you could do. You know, don't do any of it. Or do whatever you want. You should probably do all of it. All right, I'm out.